Good morning, students. Class 9th, as I have begun the chapter If I Were You, we did half of the chapter. Today we shall be beginning the chapter where we find that Gannat is ready to leave for his play. So here now the part begins when Gannat told the intruder that he was a playwright and he was getting ready to leave the house. He was about to leave the house, and we see that he was going to attend the rehearsal of his drama, and he had prepared his bag in which there were the props which he has to use in the on the play theatre. Intruder then threatened to shoot the Gannat, and he added that it was a part of his plan to kill him because he resembles the Gannat, and he is going to stay safe in the identity of Gannat. Gannat was warned, and we see his caution that intruder not to kill him. Very cleverly he told the intruder that he himself was a criminal and a murderer if he killed and not even sure to be. And he says if you are arrested, they will surely hang him as thinking him as a Gannat. So now we see a tag that Gannat played on the intruder. He says he himself is a criminal, and if he kills him, then he might take Gannat's place, but he has to take care that he would be hanged because Gannat has already killed one man. Now the intruder reaction. Hearing this from the Gannat, intruder now started thinking this was a proper opportunity for the Gannat to work on his plan that he has made. He asked the intruder to hurry and run with him in his car, and he asked the intruder that they should run away from there in his car and they should reach somewhere at the safe place. The police were about to reach there, and the Gannat opened the door, and as the intruder looked inside it was a cupboard door, and intruder who tried to look inside the door, suddenly we see the intruder who is caught in the trap, and Gannat push him inside from the behind inside the cupboard, and suddenly the revolver which the intruder had in his hand, that fell as he stepped inside foolishly into the cupboard. And Gannat, he shut the door and picked up the revolver, and he very calmly he rang the police and to come and arrest the criminal. Okay, with this the chapter ends. Okay, now the important aspect that we see in the chapter is about the title of the play. Okay, and if we see the title of the play, it is a one act play. Okay, the title is in one act play, and it is full of suspense, and story revolves around the intruder and the Gannat, and we learn many things about the Gannat's intelligence and the work he does. In order to we see that in order to questionaries closely copy his manner and accent and wanted to know his living style, he and in his cottage. He demands him as answer his questions. Gannat outsmarts him and lock him in the cupboard, and he plays revolvers around and attempt to impersonate another person. Now the words that describes the Gannat, if we come across the character of the Gannat, we have to go through. He was a good nature man, he was confident, we see him witty, he was clever in enough to befool the intruder. He is nonchalant and the humorous also we find him. These are the words that are related to the when you will be discussing the Ganat. Now next is the character of the intruder. Intruder was also smart, beautiful, he was cunning, fleshy, he was clever, he was confident. We can say he was overconfidence. Okay, and this is where the character ends. Now the assignment question that you have to do is, should criminals be punished or given a chance to improve themselves? Okay, in this contest of the story, if I were you, give your opinion with regard to that, should the criminals be punished or give a chance to improve themselves. Thank you, students. Thank you. That's all.